welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Adam Shinobi Shukuma. This lesson is a continuation of the lesson crisis of cryptocurrency. And in this lesson, we have discussed about stablecoin, we have discussed about altcoin, we have discussed about Bitcoin, and now we are discussing about Ethereum, the things that you need to know about Ethereum. In this lesson, we said that there are 4 basic things that make Ethereum platform quite unique platform or unique network like other cryptocurrency. One of them is the digital currency that runs Ethereum. The next is the Ethereum as a programming language, then Ethereum as a distribution platform, and Ethereum as a financial enabler. So now we are discussing about Ethereum as a programming language. In the previous lesson, we mentioned about smart contracts, EBAS, EVM. But in this particular lesson, I will focus more on smart contract. That means apart from EBAS, which is a kind of a solution or EDI solution that Ethereum developers, partnered with Microsoft to build. It's a cloud solution, programming solution. So Ethereum allows its users to run pretty much any code they want. That's one thing you need to know. The code is stored on the blockchain for others to interact with, and often referred as a smart contract. A smart contract, as I mentioned, allows people to deploy contracts on the blockchain. So smart contract is a self-executing piece of code which defines and executes agreement between parties. Okay, let me just explain about what's for you to understand this. Let's just assume, just remove smart from the contract. Then what is contract? Contract is an agreement between 2 parties, and in most cases a contract or agreement between 2 parties needs a third party or a middleman in order to break that contract. Right? So now blockchain technology, one of the things about blockchain technology is that it wants to remove anything called middleman, intermediary. Everything that blockchain is doing is to remove the middleman and bring transparency and security. Right? So because of this, and most of the transaction, what makes this of this action will be done through smart contract. Right? And the smart contract usually, as you can see in this picture, 2 people coming to agree together, and there is a program standing between them, and that program can be assumed to be the middleman, and that is what we call smart contract. It doesn't have any personality to it. It's just your contract, but normally for that contract to be executed, the middleman will come in between. Now it is self-executing piece of code which defines and executes agreement between multiple parties. In Ethereum, smart contract can be written in Solidity an Ethereum specific programming language that is called Solidity. Ethereum specific programming language. This smart contract can be uploaded to the blockchain and will continue to exist there. So the moment you upload a smart contract on the blockchain, it is immutable. You cannot bring it down. You cannot alter it. It will be continue to exist. You cannot change it. So if you make a mistake, you're gone. Right? The moment you upload it in that blockchain, you cannot change it. In fact, you lose control over it. That's it. This is because blockchain is secure and is immutable. You can fully trust that a smart contract on Ethereum will execute like intended. So if a smart contract say, if you bring one pencil and then later bring a biro, they will give you a bag of rice. The moment you bring one pencil and a biro and it is the smart contract verify it, it will release your bag of rice to you. To clear the technicality, let me bring, this thing, I know the first time I heard about smart contract, though I'm a tech savvy guy, but it sounded a little bit technical that at the time I felt lost. So let me explain more. Okay. Smart contract can be used for a wide variety of different transactions. So you can use smart contract for different kind of transactions. They are very suitable for simple transactions in which obligations of both parties can be boiled down to easily verifiable set of requirements. Think of financial products such as derivatives, future options, and etc. Think of financial products like derivatives. Anything that is the financial product, you can use smart contracts to execute it on a blockchain. Simple consumer transaction, Internet of Things, data exchange, or automatic payment of musicians or content creators by a minute of use of their intellectual property. So smart contract is about to revolutionize how we access content on internet. Honestly, a lot of content creators are not fully rewarded for their content they create, especially musicians. So with smart contract, we see a total difference when a total change when it comes to loyalty payment. One thing you should know about smart contracts are they are stored and executed on Ethereum blockchain, which means that they are trustless. You don't have to trust the company or the service provided to know that the service to know that they will receive a payout when they are entitled to one. As the contract execute themselves, this contract cannot be hacked or changed because the blockchain is immutable. The moment you upload a small contract, you cannot hack it, you cannot alter it because blockchain is immutable. There is no counterpart risk as long as the code in the small contract is audited by Ethereum community to confirm that they will work as intended and advised. So this is a very interesting thing. So literally, as I round up on the smart contracts, and then before we move into talk about the application of smart contracts, because I know you might have come across for day finance. In fact, the core of day finance is smart contract. The other is decentralized finance is smart contract. To understand how Ethereum protocol, as you know, so you need to understand smart contracts. It's when you understand smart contract, now we discuss about the next factor that make Ethereum a very unique platform, which is Ethereum as a financial enabler. For you to understand Ethereum as a financial enabler, you need to understand the technicalities and things smart contracts. And I believe with what we have said so far, you have understand the basics of smart contracts. So I will end this lesson on smart contract here. So we will continue having discussion on smart contract. As far as Ethereum and finance or investment is concerned, when it comes to cryptocurrency, smart contracts, the issue of smart contracts, you will discuss the issue of smart contracts, because that's the core. So here I will stop here, and if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like our content and you would like to be getting our content, please, below on this video you will see a subscribe button. Just click on that subscribe button and then click on the notification and on our notification, and there is a thumb up. You can, if you like the content that we are creating and you are learning something from it, just give us a thumb up. You know, that's a very it boosts our morals, you know, to create more content, you know, that will enlighten you and then give you more better information on how to be profitable cryptocurrency investor or trader. So thanks for listening to the video. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any question on whether on smart contract or anything concerning cryptocurrency, you can comment on you can drop the question on the comment box. I will attend to it, or you can connect with me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Real Mr. Shino. You just go to Twitter and search Real Mr. Shino, then you will hook up with me. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay safe.